Hi, it's Cindy, and I'd like to continue showing you all the wonderful things we have at the Osterville Library to support you. Did you know that we have both Macs and PCs on the lower level and some on the main level that you can use with a library card? We also have a Zoom room. Do you have to do a job interview, a telehealth meeting, or need to make a private phone call, or do a Zoom video? You can use one of our Zoom rooms, or right now, our only Zoom room. The table goes up and down. Two people can sit in here. It's a soundproof booth, and all you have to do is sign up when you know you have a meeting, or if it's available when you come in, we're happy to set you up in it. Do you know on our lower level we have an amazing, gently used bookstore? Let me take you on a little tour of it. In this bookstore, you will find children's books, puzzles, DVDs, music CDs, and you never know what treasures you'll find in our small room off to the side. We're constantly getting new donations of great books, and I hope you'll take some time and come in and browse around. You never know what you might find here. Another really cool thing we have at the Osterville Library is virtual reality. You can come in when you make an appointment with Davis or Joe and do one of our VR experiences. They range in everything. You can go underwater, you can go up to the space station, you can go up in Apollo 11, you can actually go down to the Titanic in a submersible and come back up again. We also have things of historical importance, such as a tour of the Anne Frank house, The Last Goodbye. We also have on the 1968 race riots and sanitation strikes down in the South, and traveling while black. We have a lot of great educational experiences here that you can learn from. So really try this immersive experience. You will love it. Another really cool thing we have at the Osterville Library for you is the Dremel 3D printer. If you're a budding designer or entrepreneur and maybe have a design that you have created on an STL file, you can bring it in, we can put it in the 3D printer, and it'll start printing. Here are a few things that we've made, and currently we're printing somebody's file now. So here's another great thing that you can take advantage of at the Osterville Village Library. We hope to see you here soon.